Holy crap, it smells so good in my house right now. Hey, it's Miranda Dirksen and welcome back to Miranda Nutrition. I am going to show you how to take the Romesco sauce we made last week and turn it into a main entree of Romesco chicken, or should I say stuffed Romesco chicken. Super excited about this recipe. I'm totally winging it here with you right now because I don't know, I'm crazy like that. So I'm just gonna spray a pie dish because that's all I have available right now to bake these chickens. I sprayed it with, avocado oil. So I'm going to load the chicken onto the pie dish and get started. Where are my tongs? Here they are. So I already cut the chicken breasts. Just slit them down the middle. I didn't cut them all the way through, like they're just kind of butterflied there. I'll put that out of the way. And what I'll do is I'm gonna start by seasoning with just a little pinch of sea salt and a little sprinkle of pepper, and we'll get started. So I have about half a cup of Romesco sauce here. I'm gonna divide that between the two chicken breasts. It's more like a third of a cup, if that matters. So I'm gonna spread that along the chicken breast. Add more because this stuff is money. All right, and then I have a cup of spinach. I'm not sure I'm gonna use it all, but lay some spinach on one side of the chicken. So I like to incorporate veggies wherever I can. Then I also cut up some part skim mozzarella, and I'm also going to lay two, so like one slice across each chicken breast. I'm gonna fold it over. I should have grabbed toothpicks for this. That would have been smart to seal them, so we'll have to see what happens. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to use my hands. All right, let's just do this. Just fold them over, and I'm going to sprinkle them with a little olive oil. Actually, make it pretty. That's the ugly side of the chicken. He'll probably fall through, but that's okay. So I'm going to, let's spread a little bit of the sauce on top. Do a little drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm probably gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top because I love Parmesan cheese, and bake them for about 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll check back in with you when they're done. Holy crap, it smells so good in my house right now. This baked for about 35 minutes on 400. So we're gonna cut into it and see, ooh, that's hot, and see what's up. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys just a better peek because it is so amazing. Why is it that the messiest looking foods and sometimes the ugliest looking foods taste the best? But I'm gonna try it because I can't contain myself. Just see how good it is cooked. I tend to overcook chicken all the time because my family, my husband and I should say, are freaks that way. But so excited to try this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is great. I love it when I wing recipes and they turn out for a shot. I mean, there's no surprise there. Romesco sauce, good. Cheese, good. Chicken, good. Spinach, good. It's so good and it's so easy. So if you want this recipe, I mean, you can follow the instructions in this video. When I do publish the blog post link, I'll make sure I add it in here. And when by in here, I mean the comments or the caption, of course. And don't forget about my nutrition library. If you head to randadirksen.com/nutrition library, you will get a couple weeks of free meal plans and some cheat sheets, and we will chat later. I can't wait to share what I have with you next week. And as always, don't forget to experiment more in the kitchen. Find healthy foods you love and ways to make them. I'm just here to help you with that journey.